Tanggap ka na.
Ang
Ikaw na si Corina.
galing!
Ikaw na si Corina. Ayan
Oh,
guys,
that's
kaya
so
kung
good.
natutuwa kayo sa mga kanta ni Angie and all, you can drop directly sa account niya. Ayan, click nyo lang po yung picture niya tapos pa-Christmas yun. Pa-Christmas yun na yan.
Christmas yun na.
Ayan!
Ay,
Oh,
hello. Welcome back.
Angie. Parang how does that feel? Narinig na partner and you are going to portray the character of Korean.
At first, I was excited. Agad na hinaluan agad ng kaba. Kasi it's a big, it's a really big responsibility. Musical is really hard. Tapos, nagpag-isip ko na, ano nangyayari sa process ano nangyayari? Should I do this? Hindi ko na iniisip. Hindi alam. Hindi ko na. I was thinking online, but at the same time, it was really
Oo.
Nerve-wracking. Yun yung sila.
Siyempre nakakaba
Siyempre
yun
naman, lahat naman, miski sila Benedict at Han din, di ba, nung sila ay nag-audition talaga.
Totoo.
Laban, Angie.
Kung ako, alam mo partner,
Oo.
kung ako, habang hinihintay din si Angie bumalik, kung ako ganun, makakabahan talaga ako, promise. As in, feeling ko ang daming pressure and everything, especially daming nakatutok sa'yo sa mga gagawin mo, di ba?
Yes.
Sino ba kausap mo dyan?
Hindi, may tinanong ako kay Haru eh.
Hi, Haru!
Yes, hi daw. Di ba? Narinig mo siya.
Ayan na si Angie. She's
Welcome
back.
back, our guest for tonight. Let us all welcome Angie. Salvation. Partner, ikaw naman na wala dyan.
narinig ko yung sagot ko, no?
Hindi, sabi mo nga nerve-wracking hanggang doon ang narinig namin.
Oo.
Siyempre, kinabahan ka. Noong una, natuwa ka and all. Tapos, nung finally nag-sink in na sa'yo, nerve-wracking. Pero, sino ba yung pinakauna mong binalitaan na finally pasok ka na sa ano?
Mas una pa nga na alam ni Uncle kasi nandun sinend sa email yung resulta.
Kay Uncle naman pala.
Oo.
Nalaman mo, sino yung unang sinabihan mo?
Wala.
Surprise!
Oo, kasi kapag sinabi ko, ayoko kasing spoil at saka ayoko rin parang pangunahan.
Oo. Pero ang gusto ko malaman, gaano naman kahirap yung training ninyo? Like, gaano ba katagal ang training nyo bago kayo sumalang sa shows talaga?
For me, nahirapan ako aside sa bago ako. Kasi, una-una sa lahat, hindi ako yung sobrang galing sumayaw. Saka I know, first and foremost is that my acting ko is not really strongest asset. And I really have to work on it. Kaya sobrang blessed din ako sa mga kasama ko at sa director namin, sa staff. And parang sobrang blessed ko kasi talagang
Yeah,
they're
actors,
hands-on.
directors sila.
And
Yeah.
actors, yeah, true. Kaya hands-on sila. Tapos sobrang blessed din ako kasi at least may mga tao na tumulong talaga sa akin na, to unleash these things that I never thought that, I'm able to do it. So, ayun.
Yes.
Totoo. Promise, I wanted to say something about that. Of course, Angie, after you won PBB, there was a lot of opportunities that came and everything. And of course, when you do the acting thing, kahit naman kami syempre, right after PBB, isasabak ka kaagad talaga. Kahit kami, konti pa lang yung workshop namin, sabak talaga agad. Kasi while you're hot, panalo pa lang, that's really what, showbiz does to you. Like, because you had just won, it's part of the contract. you will be really given that you were given a lot of projects, even with a little bit of the acting workshop, but with what you had, the stuff that you showed. Hey, I showed Chubby nga eh. Sabi ko, oh, this is okay with me. Me and your ate Melissa Ricks. Alam mo, partner Jello. Sabi ko, hey, sabi niya, hey, this is not, I just wanna to open it up sa'yo. This is not bad. This is okay because she's a beginner. This is good. She has some emotions there. Like, we don't really expect somebody like, kunwari, you're acting with all these veteran actors na ganun agad, yung antaas agad, because you're just,
Yes.
starting out, just you're slowly getting there, promise.
Totoo.
Because until now, me, Angie, if tayong dalawa mag-acting, tayong dalawa ha, mas may wala ako kasi hindi ko alam mo yon, when I see you talaga, it's from the heart, and that's the way you are eh. Pero you're just starting out. It's just gonna go. I love the way that you answer your interviews. It's no, you have a lot of things to learn, a lot of improvement needed, and alam mo, okay, you're no, there is no way to go but up. Go lang. Keep learning, keep
Yes.
absorbing everything. Di ba, partner, from the veteran actors and actresses
Yes.
that,
Oo
kasi
naman.
ganun talaga. Kahit ako dati, kahit si ate Melissa Ricks mo, ganun. Ganun talaga, pag baguhan sabak agad yan eh. And then matututunan mo yun lahat. So don't feel
Correct.
bad. I wanted to give you a hug when I was reading it and seeing it.
And that
I was,
is what I appreciate about what Kyla
yeah.
Estrada said. Kasi parang
Yes,
syempre,
me
hindi
too.
naman talaga, syempre, ano ba eh, I mean, there would be times wherein talaga will be put in a situation na bago tayo. What's good is that we acknowledge and we learn from it. Mahirap naman kasi is parang we don't grow or we don't
Yeah.
learn from the things that we do. 'Di ba? Like
Mm-mm.
hindi ko rin naman ine-expect na all of a sudden ay pang famas na agad ang ibibigay
Yun
ng
nga. Yun
Ah,
nga, like, what is
pero
happening?
I would have to say I saw the whole series. Hindi naman
Yes.
ako na violate watching her and her performance there. Actually siguro there are moments lang na pag hindi mo kasi pinanood, and I'm sure some of the people only watch it on TikTok. Pagka nakita mo lang yung specific ano na yon
Yung part na yun.
portion, baka mapapadalawang isip ka. But if you get to watch the whole portrayal of Angie, it's not even I know of parang parang at parang ibang tao na mas ano pa yung ibinigay, pero si Angie hindi naman ako na ano. Parang feeling ko ay nakakatuwa lang din. Kaya hayaan mo lang silang mag-ano diyan. Wak wak wak. Bakak.
Oo,
Bakak bak
ngawa
bakak.
ng ngawa ng ngawa.
Oo.
Hayaan na natin sila. But anyway,
Eh,
siyempre alam mo, go ahead. Your director, Direct Phil, sabi mo you talked about him kanina na he really helped you out.
Hello?
Nasabi ko nga ito kay ano, andiyan ka pa ba? Ay, andiyan ka. Nasabi ko nga ito kay Benedict at saka kay Bini Joanna. Sabi ko si Direct Phil, nag-direct sa akin 'yan nung nasa GMA pa ako, Maynila. Nasa tiyan ka pa ng nanay mo nun siguro or something like that. Siya yung director. Siya yung director. So, sobrang bait mo. You're in good hands with Direct Phil because he's really an actor's director. Hindi siya naninigaw. He will help you get the correct emotion. So, you're in good hands. You're gonna learn a lot from him. I'm sure that you are. So,
We
let's
do.
go.
We will learn a lot and sobrang blessed namin kay Direct Phil din kasi grabe on hand siya. On hand siya sa amin lahat. Tapos
hands
wala
on,
talagang
hands on.
nale-left
On
behind.
hand. On hand.
Hands
Ano
on,
pala siya?
hands on.
Online selling tayo.
Ayan ang gusto ko kay Angie for the sabaw.
oh, oh,
Love
doon
it.
na tayo sa pie. About yung pie mo naman, partner.
Oo nga, pero bago yun kasi napanood ko rin yung interview sa Corina kay Rated K
Oh,
ba yun?
yeah.
Nandun din sila, like, they talked about Angie as well. And nakakatuwa kasi parang doon mo talaga ma-appreciate yung mga nakakatrabaho niya. Kasi sila yung first hand na nakaka-work eh. Kaya doon ako
Mm-mm.
makikinig. sa mga comments nila.
Totoo.
Kasi tayo naman ay
Mhm.
nakikita lang natin is kung ano yung mga nakikita
Oo,
natin
maikli
eh.
lang yun.
But behind everything, ang appreciate ko yung first hand na nakakasama nila. Kaya go, go, go. And speaking of channel,
Hmm.
part 2,
Speaking speaking of Pi channel, syempre, from being a housemate to a Pi host to a teleserye man, theater, 'di ba, musical. How was the adjustment? Malaki ba yung adjustment from doing all these different things?
Yeah, sobrang laki. It's because, first of all, I have no idea what will happen during the rehearsals and what will happen during the time that we're analyzing the characters. But then, during that time, sobrang napadali ako. Mahirap siya pero napadali para sa akin. Kasi the talagang di kami pinapabayaan. Yun yung masasabi ko, di kami
Mhm.
pinapabayaan. And at the same time, they allow us to make mistakes as much as possible during the
yes.
rehearsals. They say na do as many mistakes as you can during this period of time,
Rehearsal.
because that's where you, yeah, that's where you learn what to do next and what you think that you'll feel more. And ito yung masasabi ko sa rehearsals namin, sobrang gaan tsaka you literally feel safe. Yun yung
Hmm.
masasabi
Fun
ko.
lang, di
Mahirap
ba?
siya but you'll feel safe.
Safe enough to
Oo. Tsaka mafe-feel mo talaga that they support each
mhm.
other. Like when you get to watch the show, lalo na when you watch the curtain call, kasi doon sila the drop na ng character. Eh. And you get to see how they interact with one another. Talagang sobrang natutuwa sila. They hug one another. Talagang ine-enjoy nila yung last song na yun for that show. Kaya nakikita mo talaga yung closeness nila as a whole group. And yung sabi nga niya na um, comfortability with one another. Pero ang question ko, speaking of being close sa bukod kay syempre si Benedix at si Jordan ay nakasama mo naman sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, sino pa ba ang mga naging close mo sa Tabing Ilog the Musical? Yung mas nakilala mo din.
Mas nakilala po, kilala ko na si Sheena eh. Tapos sila Bini, Joanna, I've known them na. Si Vivery, I've known her na. Siguro yung naging ano ako, naging close ako, tsaka feeling ko na parang I've met my second brother there. Si Omar.
Oh.
Ang
Mhm.
cute-cute ni Omar. Parang talaga siya si The Boy 2.0. 2.0. Tsaka yung mga veteran sila ni Tatay Red, si Miss Naomi tsaka si Miss Joanne. Doon ako nakilala sila more. And actually all of them, si Kuya Badong, which is which is my favorite which is my literally favorite character sa show. Si Kuya Jude yung nag-portray nun, tsaka si Kuya Irvin. So doon parang nakilala ko silang, actually lahat sila in a different level. Tapos si Ate Mia din, alam mo si Ate Mia sobrang bait-bait kasi tinutulungan talaga ako ni Ate Mia when it comes sa character namin.
Hmm.
Talagang binibigyan niya ako ng tips kung paano or paano parang alam mo yung anong tawag dun sa anong word yun yung parang um ay nakalimutan ko yung word, wait lang. Nak nak Wala na, nakalimutan ko na yung
Oh,
word.
Maghihintay
habang
kami.
iniisip
Mag
habang iniisip mo yung word para lang sa context ng mga ibang nakikinig at kay partner, Mia is the alternate of Angie as the
of Angie. Okay,
Korean
okay.
Mia
character. Oo.
Canton.
Yes. So I guess
Hmm.
katulad ng sinabi ni Benedix na ganun sila that they support lahat ng mga Rovic. Kasi nung nandito si Benedict, sabi niya, may GC sila na lahat ng mga Rovic and then they get to give different pointers na ito yung ginawa ko for this show, ito yung ano. Kasi di ba iba-ibang times naman kayo na nag-launch ng first ano nung like I believe when I watched you that was the first time you portrayed Corinne, di ba?
Yes, oh my
Oo. So,
god.
Kaya feeling ko ganun sila. Like, they give each other parang pointers or notes para mas ma-improve pa nila yung ginagawa nila. Talagang saluhan sila.
How does that work, partner? Like, 'di ba it's Angie or her understudy or Mia. So,
Uh,
she knows all the lines and then she can
if it's alternate, for sure, alam nun. Pero
yeah,
if understudy din, alam din. Kasi whatever happens, if hindi magawa ni Mia or ni Angie yung show na yon for some reason, yung understudy has to like take
take the parang
take the
first
part.
runner up sa Miss Universe.
Yes, oo. Pero
Has
sa
to
part na to
take the
parang,
place.
yes, oo. Kasi, ano eh, hindi naman pwedeng, and sometimes, parang dati nung nagti-theater pa ako, even the stage managers, alam
They
nila
know
yung
it?
part.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
parang in the event,
wow.
Everybody
like
know
me,
everybody
when I
knows
was a
the
stage
line.
manager, I know everyone's songs.
Oh my, that's so hard
Mm.
to do. Wow,
Yeah.
I don't know this because I am
Mhm.
so scared to do a musical, but I've only done one. Pero I was
Mhm.
grade 7 sa States 'yun. O 'di ba, bongga. Pero dito hindi ko siya magawa yung dito sa Philippines kasi sobrang daming magagaling. Like,
Please say, I'll tell you this. Try it. Try it. I promise you, it will be such an amazing feeling.
nako,
Yes, I
an
Mag-comfort ka kayong satisfaction. Ang ganda.
sige, 'pag may Britney Spears
Ay, wow!
musical, 'pag
Britney
may
Spears talaga.
Britney Spears musical, feeling ko ako makakakuha ng lead role kasi I
Actually,
know all her songs.
yung pinanood ko sa Singapore, which is
Hmm.
End Juliet, is actually, the songs there are part
Britney Spears?
Britney Spears, part NSYNC, part Backstreet Boys, part Ariana
Wow.
Grande.
I hope they
Oo.
bring that here so I can watch that.
Yes, oo.
Yeah. Oh, but teka, we were talking about your character, Corinne, kanina. Can you tell us, Angie, I wanna know, meron ba kayong similarities ni Corinne?
Yes, yung similarities ko when it comes to, the love that I have for my brother. Yun yung
Mm.
similarities namin. And
Yes,
saka
tama.
yung pagpapahalaga ng mga friends. How
Oh,
I,
Okay.
yeah.
yeah, the
That's
Okay.
a
friendship, the
good
bond.
one.
Wait lang. Idol Worldwide later, I'll show you. Wow! Kasi sabi niya, show, nagsabi ko din nag-theater ako before. Later on, I'll sing for you.
You show
For
the
now,
moves.
for now, si Angie muna. Pero, eto, question naman. Siguro, now that we know yung kung ano yung similarity mo with Corinne, ano naman yung natutunan mo in portraying that role?
Ano yung natutunan ko na
Sa,
sa
sa,
kanya?
sa role ni Corinne?
Yung natutunan ko sa kanya is that sometimes it's okay to lose it.
Sorry, sometimes it's okay to
To lose it.
lose it. Ayan.
Kasi
Oo.
not all the time we're okay.
Yes, totoo din naman.
Sa
Oo,
kanya
may
ko yun
mga,
Tama
natutunan.
naman siya. Oo.
yes. We're not perfect, di ba? Kumbaga. And
We're
sabi
not
nga ni Idol
perfect.
Worldwide, it's okay not to be okay sometimes. And it's those
Yeah,
moments
you cannot be.
that makes us a better person, I feel. Kasi we
Yeah.
learn from ourselves,
Correct.
we acknowledge na we parang we did something wrong, or hindi naman wrong, but parang na down tayo because of certain situations,
Mm-mm.
and through that we open ourselves to learning that we could be better after those trials and challenges, di ba?
Yes, true.
Mm-mm.
Oo, perfect.
At
Oo.
siguro natutunan ko din sa kanya is paano na, by saying I love you without really saying it,
Ay,
by doing it.
ano
She
talaga,
just
parang,
let them show.
oh,
Don't say
correct.
it. Mm-mm.
Yes, correct. I agree, and check, check, check.
Ganun.
Pero bago tayo mag-move forward sa ating conversation, ito, related pa rin sa Tabing Ilog. Since nandun din ako nung first night na naging part ka nung Tabing Ilog, um, anong feeling na you did that finally, and then pagbukas ng ilaw, oh my gosh, nanonood yung mga nagmamahal sa akin. Kasi
Hmm.
naiyak siya nung gabing yun.
Yung
Kasi
pagkatapos niya.
everyone was shouting her name during the
The
curtain
curtain
call,
call?
and everyone was shouting her name. Oo. Anong
Oo.
feeling?
Yung satisfaction na sinabi ko kay Ate Say, the satisfaction na nakita ko kasi nag-backflash sa'kin lahat. Yung hard work, alam mo nagkasakit-sakit na sa totoo lang nagkasakit-sakit kaming lahat. Nagka-bronchitis pa ako nun, kaya naiyak
Ay,
ako kasi
oo.
kasi kahit may sakit lumalaban pa rin kaming lahat. So, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na, alam nagkasakit ako, yung iba nagkasakit din. So, dito pa ba ako susuko?
Oo nga,
Correct.
walang
Oo.
sukuan, go lang ng
Walang
go.
sukuan. So,
Laban
yun
kung
yung parang
laban.
nag-backflash lahat, starting sa audition, starting sa times na sinisinat ako, tsaka nung time na I was having chills. Dalawang beses ako
Hmm.
nagka-chill. Tapos nung time na parang,
During the performance?
wala, hindi yun during the
Ah,
performance.
okay.
Nag-backflash lang
At
sa'kin
home. Ah, okay,
during the
okay, okay.
rehearsals.
Oh,
Oo.
okay. Okay, I was like,
During the
Kumbaga yung
rehearsals.
paghihirap niya throughout the rehearsals that she did, parang
bumabalik.
nag-boil
Oo.
into that performance, yung pinakauna. Oo.
Oo. Lahat
Kaya
kami,
na,
sila direk, ang mga staffs, yung mga actors, lahat kami nagkasakit na.
oo.
It was funny but nakakalungkot siya pero I find it funny kasi lahat kami kinaya namin tapos tinatawanan na lang namin.
Oo.
At least, 'di
Correct.
ba? Sobrang mas naging close pa kayo because of your experience na mga pinagdaanan yung ganyan, 'di ba?
Yes,
Oh,
that is
'di
true.
ba?
Ito naman,
Oo nga.
kasi partner, kung napanood mo na ito, meron kasi siyang, hindi naman solo, pero yun yung highlight song niya dun sa Tabing Ilog. Nung
Hmm.
nandun siya sa loob ng Kooperatiba. Oo. So,
Yeah,
baka
yeah.
mabigyan mo kami ng sample
Ala,
nung
bawal
song mo doon.
kuya.
Konti lang, sample, di ba?
Bawal yun. Kasi
Hindi,
di
para
po yun.
ham-ham lang.
Pero may mga kanta.
Marireveal kasi yung storyline.
Oo,
Mm.
pero may mga kanta
Ah.
po na pwede na ano namin nung
Ganito na lang. Ang kakantahin mo na lang yung, sige, Tabing Ilog na lang. I'm sure okay lang yun kasi lahat naman kumakanta ng Tabing Ilog, di ba?
Oo.
Sampulan mo na lang kami ng Tabing Ilog.
Sa ilog ang mundo'y tahimik, wag sanang nakalimutan ko! May
Ano?
show kami the next day.
Is that the theme song ba? Is that it? Do they sing that one in the show?
They sing it
It's a
pero
theme
they changed the
song.
lyrics.
They changed it na. But this is the
Para lang mas
original
fit.
melody.
Kasi they chop the lines to different characters
Yeah?
depending on the
Okay.
character that they portray.
Okay,
Tapos
so that's why it's
towards so
tailor-made to each character.
may
Yes.
Yeah,
wherein may
okay.
mga voicing na sila na. Mas
Okay.
alam ko pa, Angie. Ayun ah.
Naalala ko na.
Ayan
Kasama ka na, Nick.
alam na niya daw. Go.
Okay, go. Okay, go.
Sa ilog, ang mundo'y tahimik, wag sanang magpalit ang awit ng hangin. Sa tuwin ay kantungan nyo ay ano pala to, may
Okay.
naaalala mo
Bumababa yung key kasi lalaki naman yung
ano,
next.
ano to,
Oo.
yung harmony namin yung naaalala ko.
Panaginip.
Walang
katapusan.
ang ilog, hantungan niya'y pangako ng inyong pagbabalik. Ayan yung harmony ko na kanta ko.
Ngiti. Isang ngiti lang.
Ngiti,
Ayan.
kasama ng hangin, luhang daloy ng tubig, sa ilog na di naglilihim.
Wow!
Diba?
Ganda siguro niyan pag sabay-sabay sila lahat din kung puro harmony, no?
At maganda
Ganda
yung
nung
harmony
pagkakanta
nila.
ni
Maganda
Angie
yung harmony nila. in all
Oo.
fairness to the word. Ay,
Uy,
thank you
thanks
very much.
dalampasigan.
Hoy, pero guys, you can directly send it to
Direct nyo na po
Angie.
yan kay
Oo,
Angie para makuha niya
para
na
tumaas
yan.
na rin yung diamonds niyo. Diamonds. Oo. Oo.
Oy, pero ito
Yes.
na. So, tapos na tayo dyan sa tabingilag stuff. Dito tayo sa usapang kape.
Oh,
O,
kasi
diba?
nga,
Punta tayo sa usapang
kooperatiba
kami.
kanina, di ba? Kooperatiba.
Kooperatiba. So,
Oo.
yes, it's time for the usapang kape. 'Di ba? So, katuwaan lang kasi nababasa daw ang personality by your choice of coffee. So, Angie, alin ba dito ang preference mo? Black coffee, cappuccino, o espresso, or latte? Natawa siya. Barako daw, sabi ni FB
Po.
Nianjing.
Okay lang po ba
I will
barako?
read ha. Barako na lang. O sige, wala siya sa choices.
Hindi,
So,
ganito na lang, ganito na lang. Pili siya ng top 1 niya, tsaka top 2. Top 1 at top 2.
Okay, okay.
Anong
Okay.
top
Tas
1
ikaw
mo? Barako. Black. Barako is black coffee eh.
Okay. So,
Yan yung
she
strongest.
chose that. So, okay, I want to
Sa-
read it. So,
Okay.
it says, you are driven and determined, fitness-oriented, self-sufficient, empowered individuals. O, diba? You keep things straightforward and simple. You say things as you see them. You stay away from arguments and conflicts. You live by the ideology of it is what it is. You like to be in control and cannot be easily convinced into doing something unless you are willing to do it. You tend to be quiet and moody with sudden exhibits of extroversion. And you are very dependable. Dependable. Tama ba?
Agree ba ang mga communicants? Press 1. Nakikita nyo ba yan sa kanya? Oo.
Sino sa
Pero
akin?
naniniwala ako na very driven siya, very determined, self-sufficient, and empowered. Hindi niya kailangan ng anyone. Kaya niya to stand on her own. Kaya siguro
Akala ko
Barako.
kung ano po yung tipo kong kape.
Kaya nga.
Yun nga yun.
Yun nga, tama.
Kaya nga, ito yung meaning.
So,
Ito yung
yun
meaning nung napili mong kape.
personality mo based on the coffee that you like.
Okay. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ako umiinom ng kape.
Hindi.
Same
pero
tayo,
kung
Angie.
sakaling ano yung preference mo, kung iinom ka, ikaw ba partner, like, would you want it na black coffee din? Or gusto mo may milk? May milk.
Gusto ko latte or
Okay.
cappuccino. Gusto ko yung may milk.
Yan,
Ayoko
yun yung
patikman
meaning.
yung bitter.
Ang
Yeah,
meaning.
meaning? Anong meaning nun? Sige,
Ang
ikaw
meaning
partner.
ng latte kasi is very laid back, agreeable, happy to go, or happy to go with the flow kind of person. So, enjoy. You stick to the neutral side of the conversation or take the middle ground. They will go the extra mile at helping others. Latte drinkers are mostly likely to be found indulging in less adventurous activities. Very true kay partner. Hindi yan aakyat ng bundok.
Obviously, akyat tayo ng bundok.
Hindi nga
Ayoko! Mainit!
Pareho kami magsistay sa
sa hotel.
Sa hotel.
Sa car. Talo kami agad pag may ganyang challenge.
Yes,
Gusto namin sa malamig.
Kaya nga, sobrang, alam mo, partner, kung napanood mo yung Pi Channel, guesting recently ni Angie, meron kasi doon yung mga challenges na pang minute to win it. Yung sa ka-pair niya kasi, binigay niya doon yung mga pang matatalinong question. Pero yung everything physical, si Angie ang gumawa at nagawa niya.
Oh! Wow!
Lumabas.
Siya yung adventurous.
Siya ang adventurous at palaban talaga. Very determined, kumbaga. At nakapaa pa siya noon. Dead ba siya? Nagpaa pa siya doon
Oh
sa
my
guesting
gosh!
Huwag
Ang
kayo
galing
magpaa
mo.
sa TV.
Anything goes nga. What you see is what you get. That's why we all love her. O, diba? Bongga. Pero ito na, preferences. Siyempre, we're still talking about coffee, diba? Because we were talking about coffee. Sabi sa song na Frappuccino. Sabi sa song. What song is this?
Yung basta, ito yung song kasi ni Angie na malalaman nyo kasi yung
Okay.
plot.
Can we
Oo.
talk about, okay, okay,
Pwede
ikaw
to,
na
okay lang
magsabi
to
nito
kasi
kasi
wala namang context eh.
ikaw na magsabi kasi napanood mo na eh.
Kasi ang nakalagay dito, Frappuccino ang nakasanayan mo. Ibig sabihin, bawal ka na ba magbarako?
Ha?
Tul- Hindi, kasi parang ang hirap itanong ng hindi mo alam yung context, partner. Pero,
Kaya
pero,
nga eh.
ganito na lang, ang question ko na lang, gaano ka ka-open to trying new things na hindi ka pa, kumbaga, hindi ka comfortable in, halimbawa, meron papagawa sa'yo. Kunyari, action, ganyan. Pero hindi ka pa naman nakakapag-action or whatever. How willing are you to try something new for the very first time?
Pag action, I would do it in a
In in other things na or in other aspects that you haven't tried na hindi ka sure kung kaya mong gawin. Yung action naman ay sample lang yun.
Siguro ita-try ko pa rin. Kasi nga, like lagi kong motto sa sarili ko is, I'll never know that I can do it unless I try it. And I'll never know that I like it unless
Correct.
I try it.
Okay. Now the question is,
Tama
ito
siya,
naman.
partner.
Kasi dapat lahat naman tayo at certain points, go at go. Kailan mo sasabihin na for this moment, stop muna or hindi ko na ipupush? Ano yung ano mo sa sarili mo? Meter, kumbaga.
Meter ko para sa sarili ko, not unless na hindi ko siya nai-enjoy, di ko siya nafi-feel. Kasi dapat kailangan talaga determined ka eh. So if you feel like you're
Yes.
not determined and tamad ka, wag na lang. Kasi you're just gonna ruin the moment and you're just gonna ruin the experience. So wag na lang.
Tama naman. Tsaka parang hindi mo, parang feeling mo na ay napipilitan ka na.
Oo.
Pagka gagawa ka ng mga bagay na hindi ka natutuwa or nasisiyahan.
Yun na naman.
Ito naman, ayan, partner next.
So, syempre, tuloy-tuloy natin alamin ang preferences mo, di ba? If money is not a problem, Angie, ano yung lugar na gusto mong i-explore ng matagal?
Hindi talaga explore, doon talaga ako titira sa Greece.
Titira sa
Greece.
Greece, not
Ay,
just
Oo.
explore every day for the rest of your life.
Yeah, for the rest of my life, I really wanted to live in Greece. Kasi
Oh.
I love Mamma Mia so much and I love the place.
oh.
I love the place so much. It's so beautiful and I
May
wanna...
question ako. Sa tingin mo, kaya mo to travel alone?
Oh, kaya ko naman.
Ay,
I would love
palaban.
to. Kasi
Oo.
it would certainly give me the sense of independency and the sense of, you feel like you're free and you feel like you can do
Okay.
anything.
Oo, sa
Oh.
Greece siya magso-solo. Solo travel.
Every day.
I-meet na lang natin doon. Oo.
Pwede
Sa ibang
naman.
araw, kasi samahan natin siya sa ibang araw. Sa ibang araw, chill lang siya sa dalampasigan ng Greece.
Dalampasigan.
Wow! Ito naman. If meron kang choice, do you want to marry young or late?
Siguro, ayaw ko din magsalita ng tapos eh. Kasi,
Oh.
anytime, anywhere, I could fall in love. And, depende kung nasa 28 na ako, depende kung nasa 30
Kasi bata pa siya,
ako.
parang feeling ko hindi pa talaga sumasagi
Hindi pa
sa
niya
isip
yan,
niya.
oo.
Hindi
Bata pa
ngayon.
talaga.
Hindi pa
Correct.
ngayon. Kasi kung
And that
sasagi
is
talaga
right.
siya, sasagi talaga eh. Di malay natin, pag 28, may in love ako.
Tsaka parang partner,
Concentrate
parang
muna sa work.
and also I feel that lately itong mga generation na to, mas late na rin nagsisettle down. Compared to, syempre, my parents or yung mga titos and titas
Parents
sa Manila.
ko.
Oo.
Oo.
Like, maaga talaga sila. Like, some of them could be early 20s nung time na yun. Pero now, that parang mas open tayo to a lot of things. Parang, hindi siya kailangan agad-agad.
Totoo.
Na kailangan meron ka ng settle down ka na by 25.
May nagsabi dito 35. Ayoko ng 35.
33 daw. Bakit?
Masakit yun.
Oo, totoo yan.
Scientific Scientifically, the best
20s.
age na to
Ayan,
give
may
birth
paisa.
is on your 20s.
Yeah.
I don't
May,
wanna give birth around my
ang taray na may
20s.
scientific ka.
Hindi, totoo yun. Totoo yun. Dapat
Ay,
yung
hindi, totoo naman din.
totoo yun.
Yes.
Totoo yun. Tsaka, hindi ka mahirapan mag-push out nung baby.
Yung baby.
Pag,
Pwede daw
when you're
bang
in your
Madami
29
ng
20s.
pero
complication pag 35. Lalabas na yung
Archie,
anemic,
pwede
yung
daw
high
bang
blood.
29 pero bukas birthday mo, so 13 eh 30 ka na.
Sabay na lang
Oo.
29
birthday ng
nag-ano.
baby ko.
Oo.
Ang
Oo.
kulit.
Para dulo-dulo na daw talaga. Ayan. Next partner.
O, syempre, ito. Which do you prefer? Acting or singing?
Why
I
not
think
both? We can learn from
both.
both. And actually sa singing kasi it's a continuous learning eh. And same goes with
Yes.
acting. It's a
With acting
continuous
din.
it's a
Yeah.
continuous learning and nothing is constant in the world except for change. So what we can do to cope up with the change is, to learn every day.
May question ako. Wala
Mm.
akong parang gusto i-ano na i-share whatever. Gaano katagal mo na shoot na yung Linlang and itong Tabing Ilog? Like, how many months apart?
How many months apart?
Oo.
8 months apart. Ang tagal
Ang
na.
tagal na.
Exactly.
Last
That
year
is,
pa natapos
oo.
eh.
That is why, nung na-realize ko when I saw her live, kasi live is different eh. Walang take two.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
As in, kung ano yung ibinigay mo on that particular show, that's it.
Mm-mm.
Parang yun na yung
Wala
ano mo.
ulit-ulit.
Walang
Saka yun na
ulit-ulit.
yun.
And ang galing mo talaga. Ay, kasi sabi niya, nung sinabihan ko siya, ang galing niya. Parang, niloloko mo lang. Parang hindi pa niya masyadong mag-grasp talaga. Kasi first night pa lang niya yon. Sabi ko, hindi, ang galing mo talaga. Oo, yung parang, as in, kasi ang dami ding mga eksena sa Tabing Ilog na very dramatic.
Mm-mm.
Na talagang matetest talaga. And the character of Corinne is parang medyo malayo sa character ni Angie. Pag napanood mo, maintindihan mo. Ayoko na lang mag-spoil kung ba't malayo. Pero as in, hindi ko ine-expect na kaya niyang ilabas yung ganong emosyon.
Mm-mm.
Knowing na parang, ay, baby pa ito eh. Oo. Ayoko na lang mag-talk.
O, diba? O. Diba, syempre, kayang-kaya niya yan. Natutunan niya yan sa mas maraming workshop, mas okay,
Yes.
at mas maraming nakasama, mas maraming na-absorb.
Nililin lang niya
That's
lang
it.
kayo, guys. Abangan
Oo.
nyo. Abangan
Promise.
ninyo. Oo. Bahala kayo dyan.
Oh.
Okay. Ito naman. For now, feeling ko alam ko yung sagot mo dito eh. Love or career?
Love. Kasi hindi love na if we parang
Not
kung
romantic.
lalinin pa natin yung love, kung wala kang love sa career mo, walang mangyayari. So I choose love. Kasi sa love, ang daming nangyayari sa love. If you love your career, if you love what you're doing, you'll go far
Yes.
places.
You also
Correct.
love the people you work with. Diba?
Yeah.
Kasi yan din yung sabi ko nga, parang sila din yung makakasama mo sa journey mo nung
Journey.
nagsimula ka hanggang
Pababa ka.
mag-progress ka eh. Diba? Paakyat man or pababa.
Sila yung
Sila
makikita
ang
mo,
kasama
sila
mo.
yung makakasama mo.
Yes.
Kaya
Very,
sobrang
very
importante
true.
mag-invest ng good relationship sa mga tao na naka-work mo. Kasi
Mm-mm.
they're the persons that who's gonna tell you and keep you grounded. So,
Yes.
you should better, be kind.
Oo,
Correct,
be kind
correct.
to everybody.
Tsaka bilog ang mundo.
Oo.
Minsan, yung mga makakasama mo, sila yung magiging boss mo
Boss
at
mo the
certain
next-
points or
next
baliktad. Sometimes yung mga sa'yo na mga boss, minsan sila din yung mapupunta sa situation wherein na ikaw naman yung nakakaangat at certain
Mm-mm.
times. Kaya you really have to, sometimes hindi naman natin kailangan i-please lahat eh. Kumbaga, at least we are professional with the trabaho that we do. Ang arte ng trabaho that we do. We make sure na maayos tayo ka-work. Hindi naman natin kailangan maging friend lahat. Diba? At hindi rin naman mangyayari na magiging friend natin ang lahat sa trabaho na magagawa natin. Pero, maalala lang nila na, ay, gusto ko si Angie kasi magaang siya katrabaho. Parang enough na yun, di ba?
Mm.
Kasi
Totoo.
yun rin ang maaalala ng mga tao na instead, parang, ay, kunin natin si Angie kasi madali siyang ka-work. And
Katrabaho.
nakikinig
Oo.
siya. Ganyan. Ayan si partner, ang dami
Totoo.
nag-aano dyan eh. Hanggang ngayon, dami pang kumukuha. Siya lang talaga nagno-no.
Ayoko na mag-taping.
Di ba?
Ayoko na mag-taping.
Oo. Ayaw na niya mag-taping.
Grabe
Not
yung
Siguro,
for me.
partner,
talagang
baka siguro pag...
nakukuha talaga yung oras mo pag
Yun
taping.
nga.
Partner,
Pag-taping
panoorin
parang,
mo yun, Lil lang. Actually, matutuwa ka pa rin kay Angie doon.
oo naman.
Oo, magaling siya talaga. Ewan ko bang
Kailangan ko pa,
role.
hinihintay ko yan mapunta sa Netflix para
Hindi,
dire-diretso.
hindi siya mapupunta doon. Kasi
Bakit?
nasa Prime Video siya.
Ay, di ba bibili ng Netflix
Ibang
yon?
platform yon.
Di, hindi
Magka
mo
ibang
mabibili.
hindi,
As,
magka-ibang platform sila
as
eh.
a lola talaga ako. Kala ko,
Tsaka
hinihintay ko sa
14
Netflix kasi,
14 episodes lang yon, partner. Hindi siya pinalabas sa TV, I think.
Di
ano
pa.
ba?
Oo.
Pero
Dapat,
ipapalabas siya.
sunod-sunod.
Ipapalabas.
O,
Oo, di
ayan,
pa ngayon.
ipapalabas.
Ito na lang.
Humanda na tayo, papalabas sa TV.
Mm. Bahala sila, magunaw sila dyan sa
Oo.
pag pinalabas. Ito naman,
Sus!
etong coming
Wala sila.
2024. Ay, 40 episodes, in fairness Ano-ano bang
14.
risks? Ano ba sa tingin mo ang willing mong i-risks? I-risk this coming 2024? Kasi syempre, ang dami mo nang natutunan throughout na nag-start ka mula nung Idol Philippines and then nanalo ka ng PBB and then nagtabing ilog ka. Gaano mo ba ile-level up ang sarili mo at sasabihin, gaano ba ka-brave ang isang Angie this 2024?
I would start now. Kasi to be honest, every day is changing, and every day we're back to zero. And we're back to figuring it out again. How can we make it through? How can we make it through the day, through the week, through the year, year, and through the decade? I would say na every day ko dun gagawin na, to ilatag ko na lahat. Para
Laban
at
kung
least,
laban.
hindi ako magugulat.
Oo.
Para hindi ka magulat kung ano man yung pupunta sa'yo.
Pero
Or yung mararanasan mo pa.
ikaw ba, like, do you have anything in mind na gusto mong i-try out na something new or i-acquire na bagong skill, ganyan? Or i-challenge ang sarili mo to do something? Ito na ba yung action star era mo? Ganun.
Yun nga yung nasa isip ko, Kuya Jeloy. Gusto kong ma-try na mag-martial arts.
Oh, why not? At your spare time. Kasi that's a skill, di ba? You can unlock that skill. That's
I
gonna be
would
a lot of
love
fun.
to
It's
do
gonna help you lose
martial
weight
arts.
too. Oh,
Alam
di
mo,
ba?
magsimula ka. Kasi ito ay narinig ko lang sa, ayoko na lang pakilala ko anong show yun kasi sa kabilang stasyon. Pero sabi nila ang basic na pwede mong pag-aralan would be Arnis. Kasi gano'n na rin yung
Madali
flow.
lang.
Gano'n na rin yung, hindi, kasi gano'n na rin ang flow ang sword fighting. Gano'n na rin ang
Ah.
pagka-martial arts. So at
Oh
least
my
you get
gosh.
to handle, paano ba, ano ba tawag dito? Parang you get to handle the sticks plus yung arm movement mo na ipapractice
Yeah.
mo din. At syempre, nagiging mas fit pa ang mga gumagawa nun. Wala na, naisip ko lang. And very Pinoy, di ba? Arnis.
Mm-mm.
Arnis.
Mm.
Pero isa sa naisip ko ng martial arts is dojo.
Ay, hindi ko pa yun na-experience.
Hindi ko rin alam yun. Naku, hindi
Oo,
talaga tayo
parang-
na-inform sa...
Magtanong tayo kay Kuya mo Albi. Baka alam ni Albi yung
Or kay John.
pwede din.
Yun
Si
yung
John, di ba?
ginagawa
Mas
niya always
Ay, si
oo.
John.
Si Kuya John, yun yung work niya.
Malay mo.
Siya na lang magturo sa'yo para talagang expert, di ba?
Ikaw
Oo.
ba, kung ito na pag-usapan na si Albi tsaka si John, gaano ba kalapit or sumasagi sa isip mo na si Samantha Bernardo naman ang i-try mo i-peg as a beauty queen?
Sa'kin lagi ko talagang sinasabi, 'pag sinasabi mong beauty queen, it should be a calling. Kasi
Totoo.
kung calling siya, I mean, you will do really anything, everything just to have the crown. Kasi for me, the crown doesn't really mean nothing. Doesn't really mean anything, but
Anything.
it's the title, it's the responsibility. You should be a great spokesperson to everyone. You should be a role model to everyone,
Mhm.
and di ko pa yun masasabi unless it's my calling. So, we'll see what's going to happen. We'll see kung ano man nakalatag sa buhay ko, kung ano man yung piniprepare ni Lord sa akin, I'll go ahead.
Yan.
I'll take the leap.
Aabangan natin yan for sure.
Yep.
Okay, tuloy-tuloy tayo
Angie, alam mo,
sa...
she's...
Sige, yeah. Go, partner.
Go ahead, partner. Go,
Hindi,
go,
sige.
partner.
Hindi, go. Ano ba sinasabi mo? And she's... Partner.
I forgot.
Forgot pala. Okay. O,
I
tuloy-tuloy ang
forgot.
kwentuhan natin sa Angie as the actress naman. Alam namin na 2024
Sorry,
ay
I woke
hindi...
up at 4 a.m.
Hindi, 2023 ay hindi naging
Yeah.
madaling taon for you as an actress. Oo. Hindi naman natin pag-uusapan ang negativities dahil ayaw namin ngayon mga negativities. Oo. Alam mo naman, patuloy lang ang laban. At sabi nga natin, work in progress. Lahat naman tayo ay we learn and we grow. And naman, pag-usapan natin yung as an artist, ano bang biggest learning mo sa experience in lang?
Yung doing lang. Talagang experience ko doon. Tsaka learning ko is that you really have to like deep na. Kasi wala akong background talaga at the time sa acting. You really have to analyze your character even more. Kasi during that time, di ko pa alam kung anong gagawin ko. Tsaka, 5 lang yung ano namin, 5 lang yung, anong tawag nito? Ano ba yun? Parang sa acting workshop, 5 sessions kami.
5 session.
Oo. Talagang di ko siya, wala talaga akong kaalam-alam, Kuya Jello, what's going to happen. Tapos yung napanood siguro ng mga kasama ko o ng ibang tao yung may isa din akong ginawa na after ng linlang. Pero during that linlang taping, may tinaping din ako na isa na nasa
sabay.
YouTube naman ngayon. Oo, sabay. Nasa
Oh.
YouTube siya ngayon, naka-post. Ano to yun? Naka-upload. So, kailangan talaga na dapat bina-background check mo yung character mo. Yun yung natutunan ko na para for you to know what's going to happen next. What are you gonna do sa next scenes? Tapos, what should you feel? Kasi kailangan mo talagang i-absorb siya Kailangan
Correct.
maging sponge.
Alam
Ang
mo,
dami
ito,
yung sabi sa akin
ito,
yan.
gusto ko i-share kasi may natutunan ako about doing characters or portraying characters. Pag may script ka, what you do is you write all your notes sa eksena sa bawat eksena na ginagawa mo.
Yes.
Kasi sometimes pagbabalikan mo parang ay ito na pala yung na-feel ko nung moment na yun. So alam mo na kung saan ka manggagaling. Kasi minsan mahihirapan tayo na ano na nga kasi hindi naman pag tinaping 'di ba iba-ibang eksena.
Iba-iba eksena.
Hindi siya
Oo, totoo
tuloy-tuloy.
yan.
So maganda talaga na ready tayo. And then yung isa naman na narinig ko, maganda if you put up a diary of the character.
Yan yung
Kung
tinuro
ano
sa
yung
akin
background
ni Ate
mo.
Kim.
Yes. Kung ano yung background ng character mo, ano yung pinanghuhugutan niya. Yung kahit wala sa script, kasi pwede mo naman i-chika sa director mo na parang, ito yung pwede kong panggalingan para mas natural yung magiging acting ko. Ayun, it really helps magsulat-sulat. Kasi ako dati rin parang sabi ko, let's just swing it. Pero kasi minsan mawawala ka pagka sobrang sabay-sabay na tapos laktaw-laktaw na kasi minsan hindi ka na makaka-practice kasi magpapalit ka pa ng damit tapos ibang eksena na yung gagawin mo, di ba?
Ibang eksena pala siya. Di ko din alam na ganyan pala na ibang-ibang eksena.
Oo, iba-iba kung ano yung nasa sa isang location na yon.
Yes, oo.
Lahat gagawin kahit ibang araw na siya basta lahat doon biglang masaya ka 'Di
Biglang
ba siyempre
malungkot ka.
biglang malungkot ta's babalik ka na naman sa masaya,
Masaya.
parang hindi mo gusto mo sabihin, "Puwede ba isang emotion muna ta's mamaya na tayo lumipat sa galit, then
Meron naman
iyak."
ano, puro iyak, 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 iyak,
I
gano'n.
hate
Ang
that.
hirap
I
din
hate
nun.
taping.
Or 'di ba first roll pa lang iyak na agad. So
Oh,
yung
gosh.
energy
Pinaka-hate
mo
ko 'pag ano,
energy
pinaka-hate
mo
ko
is
'pag iyak drama, sobrang bigat yung ano,
correct,
hindi yung set, yung scene, kasi yung mafi-feel mo siya sa buong set, yung
correct,
ambience.
yes.
Yung parang,
Oo.
"Oh, I'm not welcome here." Parang masasabi mo
Oo,
yun, yung parang yung feeling mo na happy-happy, parang sasabihin ng happy-happy mong feeling na, "Oh, I'm not welcome here." Gaganon ka.
Mm.
correct, correct, correct.
Alien na
Oo.
yun. It was a great
Bakit
And
experience.
it's what people don't know, like people who have never acted or who have never really tried taping or shooting, is how hard it is to make that one episode. It's just it takes so much time, so many days, and it's not like parang tinagpi-tagpi na something. My gosh, you have to have the whatever emotion you have here, you have to have it in the next scene. Eh, hindi naman alam ng tao na yung next scene na yun, kunwari galing ka sa living room, then pumunta ka sa sinehan or sa labas, hindi nila alam na magkaibang araw pala yun or magkaibang oras siya shoot, and you have to go back to that same emotion. And this is
yes,
something that the veterans already know. And
correct.
if you're,
And production people knows, 'di
production
ba?
people know that, but for people who are just starting out and that don't really have a lot of acting projects, it's really hard to shift your emotions, and then
Emotion.
or lumevel ka sa emotion ng mga yung nandun na kasi just
Yes,
trying to be there pa lang eh. So it's so hard,
correct.
like I was trying to put myself in the position of Kyle Estrada and then Kim Chu, and then ako yung papasok sa eksena with the heightened emotions, like saan ka lulugar, OMG, like 'di ba, I'm trying to picture it, like I'm
Oo.
gonna do it. I probably will not be able to do it. Like
Mahirap
that,
nun siyempre
'di
mape-pressure
ba?
ka din,
Nakaka-pressure dalawang, oh my gosh.
So eto ang question ko, bilang na nabanggit na ni partner, how is it working with Kim Chu and Miss
Hmm.
Maricel Soriano?
Grabe, ang galing-galing nila ni Ate Kim, ang galing-galing ni Miss Maricel. Kasi, grabe, they gave up everything that they have. Tapos, this one time na nakausap ko tatlo kami nag-uusap dito ni Teacher Ruby na, si Angie big winner yan ng PBB. Tapos, sinabi to ni Miss Maricel sa joke na parang na, big winner ka? Dapat galingan mo lang. Ginanyan niya. Yung expression ni Miss Maricel, yung expression niya, how, when she talks, yung expression niya, yun yung sinabi niya. So, na at the same time na pressure ako, pero at the same time na, wow, kinausap ako ng isang Miss Maricel, and
'Di
on what
ba?
she told me is really, it's really parang very, very nakakapag-lift up ng isang spirit,
Mm.
kasi nali-lift up ako in terms na somebody wants to see me at my best.
Yes,
So I have to do my best.
of course.
Nai-inspire ka lalo to be better with what you're doing. Eh, eto naman, with Kim Chu, kasi Kim Chu is also another big winner. Siyempre
Yeah.
from PBB. Ano na yung feeling na
Solid.
from one big winner to another big winner, tapos pareho pa kang Bisaya.
Grabe, ang dami kong natutunan kay Ate Kim. Talagang tinuruan ako ng Ate Kim paano mag-analyze ng scene. Yung listahan,
Mhm.
may
Yes.
may sinabi siya sa akin na, ito kung ano naramdaman mo nung una. Yung kagaya sa sinabi mo, yun yung tinuro niya sa akin. Sabi niya na kapag nalito ka kung ano yung feeling dito, mag-backread ka sa nilista mo, sa ninote mong mga scene.
Mm,
Correct.
Tapos
she's so
doon mo
good. She's a pro.
yeah, she's
Such a
so good
pro.
on hand siya. Oo, on hand siya sa character
On
niya
hand
na
ulit.
talagang
Oh, ayun na naman ang on hand mo.
On hand ulit si Ate Kim! On hand po! Pakibili na!
Pabay na lang po.
Pamain na lang! On hand tayo!
basta basta
Uy,
mamay na
Malacanang!
lang.
R.
Malacanang na
Jones,
lang.
thank you! Oh.
Na-mine na. Okay.
Oo. Nahiya na ako.
Hindi, go. We love
Pero,
you. You know we love you.
eto, may question ako. Bukod sa tungkol sa acting and all, napag-usapan niyo ba ever about PBB? Since na-curious lang ako kasi syempre,
Mm.
I'm sure at
Ako din,
some
curious
Oo,
ko
point,
na.
I mean, ano bang
napag-uusapan din
napag-usapan niyo
namin.
na? Ano
Yung mga
bang,
challenges. Yung mga
yung mga ginawa
challenges.
inside?
Oo, yung mga ano na talagang tinetest kami ni kuya na kung actually yung ginagawa ni kuya is tinetest yung credibility mo as a person kung anong ipipili mo.
Oo.
Yes,
Pipiliin
correct.
pipiliin mo ba yung tama o hindi? Yun
Nako.
Yes.
oo.
Totoo
Kumbaga
yun.
lalabas talaga yung personality mo eh. Kahit may mga moments na pipigilan mo yung sarili mo, dadating at dadating talaga yung moment na let go mo na lang. Diba?
Minsan sasabog ka, magbe-breakdown ka, lahat nangyayari doon.
Parang si partner lang nung mga ano.
Ako.
Syempre, nung time na yun, wala pa siya napanood na PBB. Talagang sabog ang emotion niya doon. Oo.
Alam mo, Angie, I wish they had a replay of our season because it was the first one and we didn't know what to expect. Di namin alam paano kami pinapakita. Wala kaming pinanood na PBB before us. It was us kami yung guinea pig. Kasi people now are quick to judge. Like they don't, of course, especially a lot of people here, the communities, I'm sure a lot of people are your age or a little bit older or younger. They didn't really get to watch our batch. And then, wala kaming social media nung time na yon. Hindi pa uso yung YouTube. Kaya if you research about videos namin, you probably won't see any or maybe just one short one. But what I was gonna say, like people are so quick to judge when they don't really know what happened before. Like they will only see little clips or mga screen caps nung mga season namin, and then just because they hate you, they will say so many things about it. Like I'm saying this because like when you encounter this, Angie, na people are judging you or saying stuff because of some short little clips or a screen cap or ganyan, don't feel bad. Like you just try to understand them because yun lang yung nakita nila. They don't know the hard work that goes into that. They don't know the backstory behind that scene. They don't know the backstory behind that situation in PBB. Di nila alam. So parang minsan intindihan mo, minsan nakakagalit talaga, gusto mo sumagot. Pero minsan intindihan mo na lang sila, okay, whatever. You don't know the whole story. But as long as you know the truth sa heart mo and people who care about you, and yung mga ka-close mo, alam nila yung totoo, everything
Yes.
else is just
Correct.
noise. They are
Correct.
just noise. So I just wanted to say that. I
Oo.
have been wanting to say that to you actually for a long time because I don't want to see you like sad or upset because it happened to me too before, and just they're just noise.
Oo.
Just drown
Kasi
them
alam mo,
out.
partner, naalala ko lang, kasi
Yeah.
randomly nagkita nga kami ni Angie nung nag-lunch.
Oh yes, I
Nag-lunch
know
ako
that.
sa
Yeah.
scout area. Yun yung time ata na nagkaroon sila ng parang sa Kite Foundation, I think.
Mm-mm.
Nag-lunch sila, parang break. Tapos, yun yung time na parang kabadong-kabado siya na parang hindi pa siya kasi sumasalang sa tabing ilog nun eh.
Mm-mm.
Kaya parang, siyempre, hindi niya, parang naano niya yung sarili niya na, hala, hindi ko alam kung ano yung i-expect ko. Kasi yung pinanggagalingan niya is all the negativity
Yeah, yeah.
that social
Nagsa-second
media
guess
is
niya yung
ano. Oo.
sarili niya.
Sabi ko,
Yeah.
enjoyin mo to kasi iba
Mm-mm.
naman din to. I mean, especially the live, may singing
Mm-mm.
element din naman. So, enjoyin mo lang. I'm sure makikita nila kung sino ka talaga and kung ano yung kaya mong ibigay. And
Mm-mm.
true enough, yung pinanood ko naman siya ay talagang apakagaling. Mm-mm.
Kaya wala
Oo.
silang masasabi dyan.
Oo.
Diyan mo
Kaya,
sila.
kaya today.
Yung,
y-
hi Angie, ganda ng smile mo, Angie, ah. Di ka gumagalaw. Try mo labas ka and then pasok ka ulit.
Yung wifi.
Oo, labas ka ulit. Ayan na, go na, wag
Okay.
ka na umalis. Ayan, gumagalaw ka na.
Ito naman, ang next question ko, bilang naririnig mo pa naman kami, Angie, gaano ba
Ano
similar
ba?
or different ang sa sarili mo sa character na pinortray mo sa Linlang?
Oh,
Yan ang hindi
is
na
she
niya tayo
hearing us?
narinig talaga.
Siguro, you know,
Yun na.
difference
Oh, ay, lahat
Ayan.
ba tayo nag-lag
Parang
or?
Hindi,
yung
hindi, hindi.
character ni Kate ang Trino episode. Hello?
Ayan, go.
Hello?
Ayan,
Mm.
naririnig na namin ikaw.
Oh, ayan. Narinig ba
Hello.
tayo? Hello?
Yes. Ayan, okay na.
We're bigay signal
Yay!
Ayan na.
Hindi te okay yung attend na sana kaso lagi kang lag.
Ayan, okay na. Tuloy-tuloy
You're
ka na.
attend but you're lagging.
So, gaano ka ba similar or
Ayun.
different kay Kate?
Siguro similar kay Kate. Ako talaga si Kate. Si Angie talaga si Kate. Kasi yung ano din talaga ng storyline doon, based nung inano sa amin, inexplain sa amin ni Direk FMR tsaka Direk Jojo yung characters namin. We are the only light ones na nandoon sa story. Tatlo kami yung parang innocent, nagbibigay ng innocence, tsaka ng light vibes. Kasi everybody's intense and everybody's
Yes.
on the hype. So, tatlo kami. Yun yung si Dylan, si Kate, tsaka si Abby. Kaming tatlo yung nagigive ng innocence sa lahat na nangyayari na deceiving na nangyayari sa family.
Correct.
So,
Dylan is
yun yung
Kais. Angie is the daughter. Ay,
Mm-mm.
so Abby is the daughter.
Abby is the daughter.
Angie is the sister of Kim.
Kim.
Yan.
Mm.
So, we're the
Ah,
only light ones in the deception of the family. So, yun yung characters namin doon. And, Kate is pretty similar to me kasi parehas kami ng parang pananaw sa buhay na we wanted to
Mhm.
build something before we settle down. Kasi her, although di naman nangyari to sa toong buhay na wala naman nanloko sa mom ko. Pero kasi yung nangyari kasi sa family namin ni Ate Juliana doon, Juliana, is that my mom, mas sumama siya sa ibang lalaki para bumuo ng ibang pamilya at napabayaan kami.
so, lumaki sila both sa lola.
Sa
Yun
lola.
ang, yun ang
Mm.
storyline.
Mm.
Diba?
Okay.
Napanood ko yun halos twice kung ano manood yung episode each eh. Oh.
Alam mo naman kasi Paw Patrol lang pinapanood ko dito or Ryan's Toy
Coco
Review.
Melon.
Cocomelon. Wala akong sariling, alam mo yun, parang wala akong sariling mapanood dito kasi during the day, lahat ng
Ayun na.
TV, ano na,
For the kids.
wala. Oo. Yung Squid Game, alam mo ba kung ano yung Squid, episode 2 pa rin ako, partner, hindi pa ako
Finale na
tapos.
bukas. Ano ka ba?
Kaya nga, wag kang maingay dyan. Diba, for me, alam mo, Angie, for me
Nasa
to
TikTok
do,
na nga lahat eh.
grabe, I told partner this, I think it was 2 weeks ago when we started watching Squid Games, partner, sabi niya nandito sa gan'tong episode na siya, parang halos sabay kami. Matatapos na niya ngayon, ayun, finale bukas, I'm still on
Last week
episode 2.
nasa episode 9 na ako eh.
My
Eh
gosh,
bukas na yung
Ano ba
finale
to na
eh.
Squid Game? Yung original na
yung
Squid
totoo,
Game?
Yung
yung
the challenge, reality
yung
show.
totoo,
Ginawa
Reality
nila,
show?
oo, yes.
parang PBB, ganun.
Di ko pa yun napanood. Papanoorin ko yan.
Oo, yung parang 'pag binabaril silang black
feeling
ink.
ko kaya ni Angie doon.
Ay,
Uy!
oo, kaya
Parang
niya
laban na
dun.
laban siya doon, oo.
Oo, kaya dun. Oh,
Eto,
go
go
ahead,
partner.
partner. No,
Hindi,
ikaw
gusto
na.
ko ikaw talaga. Kasi ang dami ko na tinanong about Lin lang.
Sige,
For sure,
yung
ikaw may tatanong ka about Lin lang.
siyempre cute lang 'to. Sabi mo din cute naman yung characters niyo do'n, kayo yung light lang. Meron ka bang favorite scene? I'm sure marami kang gustong scene, pero pinaka-favorite mo sa
Actually,
lahat
hindi
ng
siya
scene na
light.
ginawa mo?
Hindi siya light.
Yung
Actually,
favorite
hindi siya
mo?
Yun nga rin sasabihin ko eh. Hindi siya light talaga.
Oo.
Pero, compared to
Compare
everyone,
dun sa
light
iba.
na yun sa kanya.
Okay, light,
Oo.
medyo light. So, anong favorite mo sa medyo light?
Sa medyo light, yung pinaka-favorite ko
Gusto ko
is yung
medyo light.
confrontation namin ni ate. Kasi,
Ay, favorite ko din yun.
yung confrontation namin,
Yung sa,
na
yung
sinabi ko
sa,
sa kanya na,
sa stairs.
sa stairs,
Yes.
sinabi ko sa kanya na, wag mo na akong tanungin kung ayaw mo naman marinig kung ano yung sasabihin ko. Yun. Ay, yun ba? Tama ba yung, parang
Alam
hindi
mo,
tama
okay naman natin pag-usapan. I'm sure na panood na ng lahat dito. Guys, napanood yun na. Press 1. Gusto ko lang malaman na
Tapos di
napanood
pa
nyo na.
pala, no?
Oo.
Di pa pala.
Exit muna kayo kasi may ano.
Panoorin nyo.
Panoorin nyo. Pero hindi kasi para lang may context. Yun kasi yung nahuli na ni Angie na may something si Julian. Alam naman natin yung main arc ng story. Nahuli niya kasi. Siyempre, yung
Mm.
iniisip niya, kapatid niya yun, pero ayaw naman niyang parang makisang-ayon na yung mali na yung ginagawa ng kapatid niya. At makikiano pa siya kasi kapatid niya. So, dun siya lumalaban. Pero pinapakita niya na
Mm.
hindi siya nagsisit okay with the idea na parang
Maging
masama
kabit
na.
siya.
Lalo na may anak. Si Kim Chu. Oo. So,
Oo.
yun. Abangan niyo yun. Oo. Dapat pinalo mo si Julian. Ha?
Mm.
So,
Bad
bad
yan.
yun.
Bad yun.
Pwede din naman talaga. Oo. Kaya, actually, maganda siyang panoorin, partner. Sana mapanood mo. And maganda siyang
Sige,
gawing topic.
gagawin ko yan.
Hindi kasi, alam mo ang maganda sa show? Ang daming plot twist within an episode. Kasi normally, when we watch like Korean drama, dulo
Mm.
lang yung mga cliffhanger, di ba?
Mm.
First 10 minutes, meron ng plot twist. Tapos, sa gitna ng plot twist ulit, hanggang sa matapos yung episode, another plot twist.
Plot twist.
Kaya, hindi ka
Hindi ka mauubusan ng plot twist.
correct. Kaya,
Nakabubol.
papanoorin mo siya talaga ng dire-diretso. So, napanood ko siya in 2 days. Just because nag-start ako late na nung first day. Ito naman. Ang next question, speaking of light, feeling ko ito yung mga light portions. How is it working with Kais? Kasi yun yung medyo kahit pa paano mas light. Meron man kayong mga konting di pagkakaunawaan. Not as heavy as Juliana, di ba? Problems. Kamusta naman ang work niyo together? Kasi noon, as singers, kayo magkasama, di ba? Ito
Okay.
naman as acting.
Oo, okay naman. It was fun working with guys kasi, he really gives off his best din and yun yung na-appreciate ko in terms of working with him. So, yeah, I do appreciate that. Tsaka nag-i-enjoy ako katrabaho siya.
Diba? Gusto nga namin din siya makasama dito.
Oo
Dapat
nga
magkasabay sila ni Rob. Kasi close sila ni Rob, di ba partner?
Oo, close sila. Pero nagre-reply yung handler niya.
Yun na usapa handler.
Oo, hindi siya nagre-reply. Nakakaloka.
Parang Gina naman si Kais. But the handler is...
Oo, go si Kais. Kasi
naman
kausap
mas
ni Rob
busy-
si Kais
Baka
sila.
mas busy pa yung handler. Partner.
Baka mas busy yung handler. Di na nakita yung text ko. Hello, this is Say Alonzo. I would like to invite.
Ayan na. Kaya naman,
Wala,
dahil
wala.
dyan, malapit na magpasko. Di ba, partner?
Wala.
Merry Christmas.
Dahil malapit na makasko. Saan ka magse-celebrate? Sa Siargao ba, partner? I mean, Angie?
Hindi, dito lang ako, partner.
Feeling ko siguro ngayon dito muna ako kasi may kailangan ako mga bagay na ipo-focus na kailangan ko gawin for next year. So, I'll be staying here in Manila, to focus on basta, ang hirap i-explain.
Stuff that you need to do. But I'm sure you're gonna get your family to come over, right? For Christmas?
No.
No na lang!
Ay.
Oh no, you're gonna miss
So,
them!
kami na lang kasama mo sa Christmas.
Okay lang naman kasi may cellphone naman. Yun yung pinaka-lucky tayo ngayon this generation. It's because we have
Madali
we have
yung
technology.
Oo, sana
Oh.
makasama ka namin soon. Kumain naman tayo.
Dito, isama mo siya dito sa bahay.
Pwede
Ay,
ba?
diet ako kaya hindi ako uuwi.
Wag ka kumain
Hindi,
dito, pero
salad
sumama
lang
ka
ang
dito.
kakainin natin.
Pumunta ka dito sa bahay, Angie.
Punta ako dyan. Kunin nyo ako dito.
Sige.
Sunduin ka ni,
susunod.
sinabi.
Parang ang dami ka nang susunduin.
Sino yung dalawa pa?
Si
Di ba
Zach
may
Ham.
dalawa pa tayo?
Si Zach tsaka
Si Zach Ham pa. Sige,
Sabay na
lahat
naman
na sila.
Oo.
Lahat na.
Ito,
Sabay-sabay.
Ito,